few months ago, I did a cool build in the Lian Li Dynamic XL. That's this bad boy right back here. So I just wanted to do a little update video just to see how it's been running. Let's take a look. Hey guys, Tiago with Classical Technology here. Thank you for joining me for another video. Please subscribe if you enjoy my content. Smash that like button. Leave a comment below. I want to know if you guys have built in this case or maybe even considered it for your build. Now, I just want to talk a little bit about how the case has been performing the last few months. And it's one of those cases that over time, I've grown to like it even more. Initially, the original Lian Li Dynamic, not the XL version, when it came out, everybody loved it. I used to love the design, but it's almost like so many people did a build in it that it was hard to do a really fresh build and really be happy because everybody sort of did that build. Even though it's really beautiful when you have the water distribution block with sort of these parallel tube runs, I wasn't too sure if that's what I wanted to do, but I decided to bite the bullet, get the XL version. And I did those parallel runs with the water distribution block there, and I really did not regret it at all. Before, with the original Lian Li Dynamic, one of my biggest problems was with the radiator performance. When you're doing a water cooling system like this, you really do want to pack it with as many radiators as possible. And I even tried a couple of little gimmicky things, like putting a radiator on the outside, and things of that nature, because I could really only fit a 360 on top, and on the bottom, because of my vertical GPU, I couldn't fit too much at all. And then because of the water distribution panel, that restricted my access even more. Now, I'm happy to say that this XL version has been an absolute fantastic computer, even a few months after. It's been running really well. Performance has been excellent. There's almost nothing that I really have to complain about. The only thing that I would change if I could, instead of a DDC pump in that water distribution panel, I would do a D5 pump. I just feel a D5 pump is going to perform slightly better, but overall, I'm really looking for noise improvement here. I think a D5 pump is just going to allow me to run it a little bit more quietly. The DDC pump at 100%, you can definitely hear it. That's the only real downside to that. But most water distribution panels available at that time did not have a D5 pump. There have been a couple announced recently from EK and Singularity computers that do have a D5 pump. So in the future revision of this build, I may look into that as well. Even though the design is a very common design with the parallel tubes going into that sort of water distribution block, I think in person it's absolutely gorgeous, and it really does feel fresh every time you look at it, especially considering the extra size that this Lian Li Dynamic case has. I really think when you see it in person, it's extremely impressive. Even the original Dynamic case was awesome when you saw it like this, but this one with the thicker fans and the thicker radiator and just having more room in there for the water cooling system to work itself out just makes a tremendous difference. If I had to do another build in the case and I didn't have this, I would definitely choose this. This is hands down one of my favorite water cooling builds that I've done, and it's a case with a really nice build quality. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Remember to subscribe, smash that like button, leave a comment below. I want to know what type of water cooling case you've used recently, and I'll see you guys on the next video.